Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's exciting video, we're diving deep into the future of luxury camping with the 2025 Hymer Vision Venture camper motorhome. This stunning vehicle is not just a camper, it's a statement of innovation, freedom, and intelligent design. Built on the rugged yet refined Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, the Vision Venture offers an unmatched blend of adventure-ready capabilities and next-level comfort. Whether you're hitting mountain roads, traversing coastal highways, or exploring hidden forest trails, this motorhome is designed to take you there in style and confidence. The exterior design of the 2025 Hymer Vision Venture is nothing short of futuristic. Its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette features bold contours, matte finish paint options, and off-road-ready tires that give it a commanding presence. The vehicle's robust build is paired with practical innovations such as 3D printed body panels and integrated solar panels, ensuring both sustainability and strength. A retractable rear terrace provides a unique space to unwind, enjoy the view, or even set up a mobile workstation in the wild. The color palette and design cues draw inspiration from nature, perfectly aligning the vehicle with the outdoorsy lifestyle it promotes. Step inside, and you're instantly transported into a smart living space that feels more like a modern apartment than a traditional camper. The interior is warm and inviting, with sustainably sourced materials, ambient lighting, and a clever use of space that maximizes every inch. There's a lounge area with a multifunctional seating arrangement, a fully equipped kitchenette featuring a built-in induction cooktop and smart storage solutions, and a bathroom that cleverly integrates a fold-away toilet and a rainfall-style shower. Every element has been designed to enhance comfort and functionality while maintaining a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. One of the standout features of the 2025 Hymer Vision Venture is its inflatable pop-up roof. This feature provides a spacious sleeping area with panoramic windows and excellent insulation, ensuring you wake up to beautiful views while staying cozy and protected. The motorhome also incorporates smart home technology, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and even the entertainment system through a mobile app or touchscreen panel. This seamless integration of tech makes life on the road easier and more enjoyable than ever. Performance-wise, the Vision Venture is built to handle various terrains with ease. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter base ensures reliable power, advanced safety features, and a comfortable ride, whether you're navigating city streets or off-road paths. The all-wheel drive system and intelligent traction control offer peace of mind in challenging conditions, while the efficient diesel engine provides a good balance of power and fuel economy. What sets the 2025 Hymer Vision Venture apart is its visionary approach to travel.